Hey, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show y'all how to do a high puff. It is super easy. Now, I used a stocking. I take a pair of stockings and I cut one of the legs off. You can make it as long or as short as you want. Now, I'm not using gel, but you can use gel if you want to. You can apply water to your hair and then add gel on the edges and then tie a scarf around it so your hair will lay down. And I do recommend the stocking because you can make it as tight or as loose as you want, as opposed to the bands that you can buy. The bands, like, sometimes you have to double it and it's extremely too tight. So I definitely recommend the stocking. That's it. Super easy. And bam, you're done. Thank you for watching. See y'all later.